everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Dose. I'm your host, Alia Mehar, and today we're going to take you into a real-life English conversation, ordering at a restaurant. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just learning for fun, knowing how to order food in English is super useful. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin our restaurant adventure together. Today's episode is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, arriving at the restaurant. Part 2, ordering food and drinks. Part 3, asking for the bill and ending the meal. Let's start with Part 1, arriving at the restaurant and asking for a table. Let's listen to a short conversation between a guest and a restaurant host.
Good evening. Welcome to Olive Garden. Do you have a reservation?
Hi. No, we don't. Can we still get a table for 2?
Absolutely. It might be about a 10-minute wait. Is that okay?
That's fine, thank you.
Great. Please have a seat in the waiting area. We'll call your name shortly.
Let's break that down. Do you have a reservation? The first thing many hosts will ask. A reservation means you booked a table in advance. Can we get a table for 2? You're telling them how many people are in your group. It might be a 10-minute wait. They're letting you know how long you'll wait. Now let's practice. Repeat after me slowly. Do you have a reservation? We don't have a reservation. Can we get a table for 2? How long is the wait? That's fine, thank you. Let's try this in a short role play. I'll be the restaurant host and you be the guest. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation? Great. It will be about 15 minutes. Is that okay? Nice job. If you're nervous, keep it simple. You can say, "Hi, table for 2, please," or just, "Hello, we'd like a table." Restaurant staff are used to helping non-native speakers. Just smile and speak clearly. Let's now practice some vocabulary related to this scene. Reservation. A booking you make in advance, table for 2. A table for 2 people. Wait time. How long you'll wait, host. Harm the person who greets you at the restaurant. Waiting area equals the place where you wait before getting your table. Now say each word after me. Reservation table for 2. Wait time, host. Waiting area. Awesome job, everyone. That's it for part 1. You just learned how to arrive at a restaurant, talk to the host, and ask for a table. In part 2, we'll dive into ordering food and drinks, including how to read a menu and ask questions. So don't go anywhere. Let's keep learning and speaking together. Now let's move on to the most exciting and delicious part, ordering food and drinks. This section is packed with real-life dialogues, vocabulary, pronunciation practice, and useful expressions. So stay with me till the end and repeat after me whenever I say, "Your turn. Let's begin."
Here are your menus. I'll give you a few minutes to decide.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes?
Of course. Take your time.
Let's break that down. Here are your menus. I'll give you a few minutes to decide. Are you ready to order? Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes? Take your time. This means no rush. Your turn. Repeat after me slowly. Are you ready to order? Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes? Take your time.
What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken is very popular. It comes with mashed potatoes and vegetables.
Sounds good. What's in the house salad?
It has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese.
Is it possible to get it without olives?
Sure. We can leave the olives out.
What do you recommend? Good phrase if you're unsure what to choose. What's in the dish? To ask about ingredients. Is it possible to get it without? To make changes. Your turn. Repeat after me. What do you recommend? What's in the Caesar salad? Is it possible to get it without onions? Let's learn some food and menu-related words. Appetizer, a small dish before the main course. Main course, the big or central part of the meal. Dessert sweet food at the end. Beverage A drink, water, juice, soda, etc. Special A dish, not always on the menu side dish. A small portion served with the main course. Repeat after me. Appetizer, main course. Dessert, beverage. What's today's special? I'd like a side of fries.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. And for you?
I'll take the spaghetti carbonara.
Would you like anything to drink?
I'll have a lemonade.
Just water for me, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Use I'll have or I'd like when ordering. I'll have the chicken sandwich. I'd like a cup of coffee. I'll take the pasta, please. Your turn. I'll have the veggie burger, please. I'd like a mango smoothie. Just water for me. If you have allergies or don't eat certain foods, here's what to say. Does this contain nuts? I'm allergic to seafood. Is this dish vegetarian? Is it spicy? Can I get it mild, please? Can I see the allergen information? Your turn. I'm allergic to peanuts. Is this dish spicy? Can I get it without cheese?
So that's 1 grilled chicken, 1 spaghetti carbonara, a lemonade, and a still water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be back shortly with your drinks.
Let's do a quick role play together. I'll be the waiter, and you'll be the customer. Answer out loud. Hello? Are you ready to order? Would you like something to drink? Is that still or sparkling? Nice work. Repeat these full sentences with me. Can we have a few more minutes, please? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken sandwich. Does this contain dairy? Just water for me. Still, please. That's all for now, thank you. Fantastic. You've just learned how to order food and drinks confidently in English. You practiced phrases, vocabulary, questions, answers, and even did a mini role play with me. That's real progress. In Part 3, we'll learn how to ask for the bill, handle payment, and say goodbye politely. That's another important skill, especially when traveling or living in an English-speaking country. So grab a snack, and I'll see you in Part 3. Now, in Part 3, we'll focus on how to ask for the bill, how to pay politely, how to give a tip, how to end your meal and leave politely. Let's begin.
Excuse me. Could we get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll be right back. Here you go. Please take your time.
Thanks. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Visa and MasterCard are fine.
Repeat after me. Could we have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please? American English. May we pay, please? Can I pay by card? Your turn. Excuse me, can we get the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay with cash? In many countries, bill is used in the UK and check is common in the US.
Can we split the bill?
Sure. How would you like to split it?
We'll pay separately.
I'll pay for the drinks and she'll pay for the food.
No problem. I'll divide it for you.
Useful expressions for sharing the cost. Can we split the bill? We'll pay separately. I'll cover the drinks. Let's go Dutch. This means everyone pays their own share. Repeat after me. Let's split the bill. I'll pay for the meal. Can I get a separate bill?
Here's your bill. The total is $42.50.
Thank you. I'll leave a 15% tip.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
In many English-speaking countries like the USA and Canada, tipping is expected. It's usually 15 to 20% of the bill. Phrases to use: I'll leave a 20% tip. Keep the change. Is service included? Do I need to tip? Repeat after me. I'll add a tip. Keep the change. Is the tip included? Let's review common payment words. Credit card, a plastic card for paying electronically cash paper money, and coins receipt a paper showing what you paid tip, chai gratuity. Extra money for good service included already part of the bill. Repeat after me. Credit card, cash. Tip, receipt, is service included?
Thanks so much for dining with us. Have a wonderful evening.
Everything was great, thank you.
Hope to see you again soon.
We'll definitely come back. Goodbye.
Eye these to your waiter or server. Thank you. Everything was lovely. The food was delicious. We'll come again. Have a nice evening. Goodbye. Repeat after me. The food was amazing. Thank you for the great service. We'll be back. Take care. Goodbye. Let's review the full restaurant journey in English.
Arriving. Hi, table for two, please. Do you have a reservation?
Ordering. What do you recommend? I'll have the grilled chicken. Can I get this without cheese?
Paying and leaving. Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? We'll split the bill. Thanks, that was great.
Let's do a full practice round. You'll be the customer. I'll be the waiter. Hello. Are you ready to order? Would you like something to drink? Here's your food. Enjoy. Would you like the bill? Thank you for dining with us. Have a great day. You did amazing. And that's it, my friends. You've completed our full lesson on ordering at a restaurant in English. You now know how to get a table, read and understand a menu, ask questions and place your order, pay your bill and leave politely. Give yourself a round of applause for completing all 3 parts. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can even listen again and shadow the full conversation to improve your fluency. This is Alia Mehar from Daily English Dose, signing off. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.